You're about to watch the Polly Detmer's channel. Enjoy.
What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmer! What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmer!
He's back up here. Baby Jake's Pizza.
And you are Jake himself?
Jake, correct, yes.
Cool. How long have you been in business?
We've been here for about 15 years.
15 years.
Yeah.
Wow, that's...
Pizza and ice cream store, yeah.
So you're sustaining a good business then?
Yeah, I've been here a while. That's a good, we're busy in this summertime. We get that outdoor adventure comes a lot of their business.
Yeah. Yeah, a lot of people going on little trips and they see this place and they want to stop here. So your oven is a XLT,
oven,
conveyor,
correct.
And you can front load like a traditional pizza oven as well. Yeah. How long have you had that oven? Since you've been open?
Yeah, we opened it. Yeah, we bought it brand new. So yeah, they
nice.
Workhorses. They can help them out. Yeah.
Do you remember where it came from?
Where?
What part of the country?
I think Oklahoma they make them.
Oklahoma?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Yeah, we're getting the personal pizza, $9.75. Is that the right price still?
Yes.
And his oven wasn't even on, right? It wasn't even on when I walked in. Oh, okay.
It's not very loud. It was on, yeah.
Oh, yeah. But pizza takes about 5 minutes, and waiting for that. And we got a couple drinks. So I was talking to Jake, and you see next door is the Corner Cone, which is ice cream place, right next to Baby Jake's. And there's an outdoor seating area over there where the umbrellas are. And I said, is it okay if we sit out there? Will the owners of the ice cream place mind us being out there? He said, no, I own that place too. I'm like, okay, so you don't mind, right? And he said, yeah, go ahead. But yeah, we're out here, the intersection of Coldwater and Irish Road here in Genesee County. Pretty much Davison, Michigan. That's where I live. Here at Big Baby Jake's. Well, it's not called Big Baby, but you get my point.
You're watching the Polly Detmer's channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Want any crust style on there?
Excuse me?
Want any crust style? We got garlic butter, Parmesan.
Garlic butter. Yeah. Yeah, cool.
All right, there you go, buddy.
So here is the pizza. I ordered it with pepperoni, green olives, and black olives. You know, looks pretty good. Nice, glistening cheese. Everything looks cooked very nice. Only took 5 minutes in that conveyor oven. Okay, he put some, I think you guys seen it, but he put some garlic butter on there on the crust. I think I'll start doing that in my pizzas. Got me a Coke full of sugar. That's okay. Is that mainit? Mm-hmm. That's hot in Tagalog. It is hot.
That is good. Masarap.
He said he does a couple-day fermentation of his dough. He does not do doesn't do a poolish or anything like that. I understand that. Really rich in flavor. Beautiful job. If I make pizza like this, I'd be happy. What about you, little lady? Would you be happy if I made it like this? Mm-hmm. I do sometimes.
Very good. Should we do this?
Very nice. Okay, so 6 pieces. Little lady had 2 pieces, and I'm eating my 4th.
Very good.
All right, let's go tell Jake what his pepperoni scale rating is. Hey, Mr. Jake, I got good news for you. Out of the 0 to 5 pepperoni scale rating, you got 5 pepperonis.
Oh, all right, cool.
Congrats.
Thanks, buddy.
No money though.
That's all right. We'll take it.
But I paid you for the pizza.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot. Have a good day, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. One happy customer here. I really like that. Yeah, so that pizza cost a little bit more than the personal pizza in that last place I went to. But you know what? It was worth it. It was really very good. And it was truly a 5 pepperoni scale rating pizza.